Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You open YouTube Studio and go straight to monetization so you can stop the request now. Once there, make sure you are using the exact channel that submitted the application because YouTube ties requests to channels. Check the AdSense connection and any in-app prompts. These show whether your request is pending or under review. If you see an active application, you're ready to take the first actionable step. Locate the cancel option in the application workflow and prepare to submit the cancellation. You click into the application details and choose the control labeled Cancel or Withdraw. This is the core action that stops review. When prompted, read the confirmation dialog because it outlines effects like loss of review queue position and AdSense unlinking. That's why you cancel. Confirm the action, then immediately capture a screenshot or save the confirmation text. Once done, double-check monetization shows the application as withdrawn so you have proof and can restart later without confusion. You finish by verifying the dashboard reflects the cancellation and that AdSense settings behave as expected because unlinking or delayed updates can cause confusion. If the option to cancel isn't visible, contact creator support using the help section and reference your application date. Include screenshots and be specific. If something goes wrong, like the request still shows as pending, open a support ticket and attach proof. Make sure you keep timestamps and confirmation images so you can follow up efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.